This is gonna be your banded pull apart. So we're gonna get a resistance band, something that's about light or medium in tension. A couple things to keep in mind. When I'm doing this motion the entire time, I wanna make sure my palms stay faced up. As I fatigue out, your palms are gonna wanna face down. Reason being here is palms face up, that is external rotation on the humerus. Main muscles involved there are gonna be your shoulder stabilizers. That is your rotator cuff group. So we wanna make sure priority here is keeping the palms faced up, neck is nice and long. I wanna keep the upper traps nice and quiet. Now to set up, I wanna keep tension on the band the entire time. So I wanna make sure that there's no slack in the band. The entire time I'm keeping tension. So when I come out to when I come back, the band stays tense the entire time, the palms stay facing up. Okay, so now all I'm doing is repping it out here. Pull. Keeping tension on the band the entire time. Make sure I don't compensate and arch to my back. Okay, so ribs stay down, sync with the breath. I can exhale as I rip it and inhale on the way back. And that's gonna be your banded pull apart.